When I started my bike travels years ago, I didn't know how long I'd be gone or how far I'd go. I mean, of course, today I know that my entire journey led me all the way to India, but when I left, I seriously didn't have a clue. I had no set destination. I just had my bicycle, a tent, a couple of bags, and I had a super serious need to keep moving and moving and moving, and yeah, I just went. Even though I had no clue of where I was going, I needed one thing, and that was that I needed to stay connected. So the first thing when it comes to entering a new country or crossing a border is always the same. It's a SIM card and cash, or maybe it's first cash and then SIM card. But these are the top two priorities when going to the next country or when going to a new country. And depending on where you're at, finding a SIM card can be pain in the ass. Like seriously, it can be a super huge struggle to find a SIM card depending on the country you just entered. Last year, I tried a new thing. I tried the Holafly eSIM, which means there is none of those tiny plastic SIM cards to lose. You don't have to visit a store, you just have instant data whenever you cross a border. And yep, I came to the eSIM party super late. So in this video, I want to talk about the Holafly eSIM so that you are in the eSIM game just in time. Traveling far sounds romantic, and sometimes it is, but most of the time it means managing all by yourself. I think you know what I'm talking about. It's always like finding your way, your destination, translating signs, messaging your host, searching for the closest supermarket or a hotel hostel. I'm pretty sure you know the struggle. And then on top of all that, there is the border crossing day. For me, they were super exciting, and I had so many things in mind, and the last thing I wanted to do was like finding a SIM card straight away. I remember that one day when I crossed the border from Greece to Turkey, it was just totally different. I mean, I was leaving the European Union, and yeah, for the first time it was like, oh my God, it's a real border. It's yeah, it was super exciting. I remember it was super complicated for me to find a SIM card because on my first day, I didn't find a SIM card shop or one of those stores where you can buy SIM cards. So on day 1 and 2, I was like hopping from chai place to chai place asking for Wi-Fi because obviously I forgot to download offline maps. Yep. And I mean, it's okay not to have internet for a couple of days. But yeah, when it comes to cycling and being off grid and all that, I just like to be on the safe side. And in case of, I don't know, anything, emergency or whatever, um, I would like to be connected and be able to call someone. Anyway, somehow, of course, I found a local store to buy a SIM card, but also it took some time to activate. And yeah, in the end, I had my Turkish SIM card, but I think you understand the struggle I'm talking about. How does Holafly actually work? Using the Holafly eSIM is actually super simple and super easy. You choose your destination on their website and you just buy the eSIM, like let's say for Turkey. So you buy it and then Holafly sends you a QR code by email. You scan this code, you follow a few steps, and then pada, internet. So there is no going to a store, no losing your tiny plastic SIM card, not trying to explain your passport number in like 5 different languages. You just cross the border by bike, walking, I don't know, with your van or car or with the airplane. And once you touch the ground, the only thing you gotta do is to activate your eSIM. And yep, you are online. The daily use of the internet begins once you activated your eSIM, so only activate it when you actually want to use it. Of course, you can keep your regular SIM card so your WhatsApp stays active and your number stays the same. When I discovered the Holafly eSIM, it changed a lot for me when it came to the border crossing days because I was in some kind of peace of mind. I didn't have to like Google best SIM card in Pakistan or largest data package in India or whatever. I was certain when I crossed the border, I knew that I will have unlimited data. I don't have to run around, search for a SIM card. And I was just like, this is good. This is okay. I'm all set. So basically, you just scan your setup and you go. Let's talk about the important stuff. The money. Is this the cheapest option? No, local SIM cards can absolutely be cheaper, especially when you know the country, speak the language, or you have time to shop around. But with the Holafly SIM card, for me, it wasn't about finding the cheapest price, but it was about peace of mind. It was just, I was in peace. I crossed the border and I was like, yep, nothing to worry about for the way I travel. Like always on the move, always outside, always like, I don't know, kind of like tired and exhausted. That convenience was absolutely worth it. Once on my journey in Pakistan, there was a situation when I was super glad that I found out about Holafly. I was crossing the border with some other cyclists, like from Iran into Pakistan. Somehow, like it doesn't matter why, but somehow I wasn't able to withdraw cash and I wasn't able to buy a local SIM card. Like as soon as you enter Pakistan, you are escorted by the police. Like yeah, you enter the country and you will not stay on your own. So the police is always following you. Yeah, it was impossible to buy a SIM card. And after a day or 1.5 days, I was like, damn it. I wanted to text some of my friends telling that I'm okay. And then one of the guys I was cycling with, he was like, do you want to use my phone? I was like, what? You have a connection? Where did you get that SIM card from? Hey, what? And he was like, yeah, I'm using Holafly. I was like, you're using what? And then he explained that whenever he crosses borders for the first couple of days, he uses the Holafly eSIM just for that reason, so that he has peace in his head, peace in his mind. And that's how I got to know Holafly. And so I bought my first eSIM in Pakistan. And yeah, from that day on, whenever I cross borders, I use the Holafly eSIM. What I like most about Holafly is that they have those unlimited data packages, so you don't have to keep track of your data, or yeah, there's also no topping up. Also, I'm pretty sure wherever you go, you will find your next travel destination on their website because they cover more than 200 countries. So wherever you want to go, just go on their website, find your country and buy your eSIM. The hotspot feature is also something that is super nice, especially for digital nomads. So you can just share your data with your phone by turning on your hotspot. You just gotta check because there is a limit of sharing data per day. So in the US, you can use 1 GB per day. When using the hotspot, and in other countries it's 500 megabytes. So on your primary device you can use the unlimited data packet, but on your other device it's the hotspot thing is limited per day. They have a 24/7 customer support by real people, so whenever you have a problem you can just reach out to them and they will help you. And last of all, I want to tell you about their loyalty program. Every time you buy, you get 5% cash back as Ola coins. 100 Ola coins equal €1 and vice versa. You can use them for future purchases. So whether you are cycling around, walking around the globe, bikepacking, backpacking, or crossing borders with your car or van, and you want hassle-free, reliable internet on the road, I totally recommend getting one of those Holafly eSIM cards without the card, because it's, as I already said, a virtual card. My affiliate link and discount code are in the video description down below. Just click it and you get unlimited data wherever you go. I honestly don't know where I'm headed next, but knowing I can stay connected whenever the road calls is super cool. I'm saying cheerio, goodbye, salut, and adios, and I see you next time.